Jamie is here with the latest. There is now a weather advisory.
That's right. Yes, if you're heading out to the Gorge, a wind advisory just went into effect, Lisa, this afternoon. You can see the peak wind gusts out there in the Dalles at 44 miles per hour. Now, these are some west winds, so the Dalles is included in this weather alert. Gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected as we go into our evening hours. This does last until 11 p.m. tonight. So it's both the Oregon and Washington part of the Columbia River Gorge. It also extends up into the Kittitas Valley. So those west winds going to be picking up tonight. Here in Portland, though, we've got our calm winds out of the northwest, mostly cloudy skies, expecting to dip down to 46 with that overnight low. Seaside right now sitting at 52 degrees. Yes, mostly cloudy. You've got a mix of the dark clouds and just a peak out there of blue skies in Seaside right now. It is dry in Southwest Washington, Vancouver. Here's a look at the waterfront out there where it's 60 degrees and those dry sidewalks. Portland sitting at 62. We're going to keep it pretty cloudy throughout the rest of our day. Maybe in the next hour, couple of hours, you could see a little bit of sun breaks out there, but then mostly cloudy as we head into our overnight hours, expecting to dip down to 52 degrees at 11 p.m. tonight. Here are our unofficial daytime highs. Right now, Portland's high is 62, while Salem got up to 64 today. Mid or upper 50s for the coast, and then heading out towards Bennington. They reached 70 degrees today, but on your Sunday, it's been dry all across much of the coast and yes, the valley as well. So for April, we're wrapping up this month and we're nearly 1.75 inches below normal. Look at the last 10 days. Just 3 of the last 10 days have even seen any kind of measurable rain, but Portland hasn't even seen 1/10 of an inch in a day over the last 10 days. For our Monday, we keep it cloudy, fairly warm. We've got this weak shortwave ridging. Tuesday, we could see some showers out there, but then by the time we get into Wednesday, notice again another ridge of high pressure, thus warmer, drier conditions. But circle Tuesday because this is the day we're expecting to actually have a little bit of widespread rain with those scattered showers, and then we're dry Wednesday, Thursday before a slight chance of rain late next week and into our Saturday. We roll this through Tuesday, with Tuesday being our day where we expect those scattered showers. Over 1/10 of an inch expected here in Portland. Not quite as much rain down there in Salem, but let's time this out for you. Keeping it cloudy throughout much of the evening, especially into our overnight hours. Full cloud coverage. Monday afternoon, a few sun breaks. Here's 6 p.m. Looking to stay dry on our Monday. It's those overnight hours. Here's 3 a.m. We go into Tuesday. Scattered showers are going to pop up here and then more widespread rain by about 5:30 a.m., 6 a.m. Tuesday. And then we get into our afternoon. It's looking a bit drier. But Monday, mostly cloudy. We're getting into the low or mid 60s for a daytime high here in Portland. As far as the coast, we'll see those highs in the mid or upper 50s with a slight chance of rain. That rain for the coast most likely in the late afternoon or early evening hours, and then we're cloudy up and down the valley. Here is that 7-day forecast as we really start out with clouds but dry for our Monday, Lisa. Mid 60s for the next couple of days, but Wednesday, that's when we start to warm up, getting into the 70s, and Thursday afternoon is going to be a toasty one.
All right, thanks, Jamie.